If you are working as a junior doctor in the UK, you are probably getting paid as per the 2016 junior doctor contract. In the UK, junior doctors have seen their real term pay cut by 26% since 2008. On the other hand, UK inflation is 7.9% in June 2023, which is a record in last 40 years. This means that even though their salaries have gone up in nominal terms, doctors are actually worth less due to inflation. But it's important to have a budget even if you are on a tight budget. Of course, it's important to spend money and enjoy life, but it's also important to have a framework to understand how much spending or splurging you can afford on your current salary. A budget will help you track your spending, save money, and reach your financial goals. So, whether you are a F1 doctor just starting your career or someone more senior, this video is extremely important for you. This video is relevant for you even if you are not a doctor but simply working in any job in the UK and getting paid a salary. This will provide you with a framework which even you can also follow. Please watch this video till the end and please to hit the like button if you find value in this content so that the YouTube algorithm recommends this video to more and more people like you. Hello, my name is Suman and I am a respiratory trainee in the UK. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a budget as a junior doctor in the UK. I will be using an Excel sheet to demonstrate the calculations. The Excel chart is available as an attachment in the description box below. This Excel chart is from Ankul Wariku's video about how to budget. I will provide the link to the original video as well. So if you want to follow along, you can download the Excel sheet and amend the numbers with your own income and expenses. In this workbook, I have calculated the take-home salary for a doctor based on their grade. It could be FY1, FY2 going up to ST7 or 8. To calculate this take-home salary figure, I have deducted tax, national insurance and NHS pensions from the gross salary. All the salary here is based on the basic salary, assuming you don't do any on-calls or out-of-hour work. There is a wide variation to the on-call patterns for every specialty, so it's difficult to include all of them in a single video. But you can use the real take-home salary numbers based on your take-home pay in the Excel sheet which you are able to download. The tax code I have used here is 1248L. In your case, please do use the relevant tax code from your own payslip. Also, for the purpose of this video, I have assumed 3% pay rise year on year. Again, it's quite difficult to predict the exact pay rise every year. 3% in my opinion is a realistic figure. If BMA can manage 35% pay restoration, then please change the numbers accordingly in the Excel book. I have used 50-30-20 rule for budgeting, which is a well-known formula in personal finance. It means that 50% of your income goes to your needs like paying for rent, mortgage, food and other bills, which are unavoidable expenses. 30% goes towards your wants. For example, you want to go to a holiday in an exotic location or you want to buy the latest iPhone or a Tesla. You have to do all those within this 30% budget, and the rest 20% of your salary should go towards your investments. Of course, you can change the number and the percentage as per your personal circumstances, but this is a general rule that we are going to follow for the purpose of this video. For all international medical graduates watching this video, you will most likely start your career at FY2 or ST1 level, so please make adjustment of your salary accordingly. The highlighted ST7 pay here is my actual take-home pay, and this includes on-call and weekends. I have provided this so that you can get an idea about the real pay when the on-calls and weekends are included. All the other pay here is basic pay except the ST7 pay. Next is the needs. I have included some examples of rent or mortgage, which is our biggest expense in the UK. Now, this will vary depending on the part of UK you are based, the type of accommodation that you are using, and please do include the council tax bill in this section as well. If you are living in a shared accommodation, then these expenses can be low as some of the bills are already included in the rent. Now, if you feel that you have a subscription or direct debit that needs to go on this chart, then please do add them accordingly. Next comes the want part of the budget. Here you can include things like cost of a new iPhone or Tesla or savings for your next vacation. For international medical doctors, flying to home country can be included in this vacation section. If you are enjoying the video till now, then please do hit the like button so that the YouTube algorithm understands that this video is helpful for you. Next, we have the investment section. Here you can add insurance cost like life insurance, home insurance, or private health insurance. You must have some emergency fund equal to 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses. If you don't have that yet, then please start saving for it now. As you can see, even for an FY1, you can contribute a small amount to an investment. The amount may seem small, but keep watching the video and you will realize the magic of this investment shortly. Now, if I assume your investment is giving you 10% return every year and the inflation in the UK remains to be 5% over the next 10 years, and you continue to contribute towards your investment throughout the duration of your training till you become a consultant, then after 10 years you should be able to save £113,160, which when you account for the inflation, assuming it to be 5%, will have an equivalent value to £69,000. Now, if you want to change the inflation to 2%, which is actually the government target, then you can see that the real value of inflation adjusted investment savings is £92,800. So you can see the magic of compounding in play here, where if you invest regularly throughout the duration of your training, let's say for next 10 years, then by the time you become a consultant, you will be able to save more than £100,000 in your investments. This is only an example. Please feel free to download the Excel workbook and play with the numbers so that it's more relevant to you. If you find value in this content, then please like this video and share it with your friends and juniors, particularly the new doctors who are starting their career in the NHS. Thank you for watching. See you next time.